next form is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular line means if a line passes through the point, if a line passes through the point x1 and y1 and perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the equation of straight line is nothing but b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. Okay, here we have to observe this one. We have to give a point x1 and y1, and also we have to give this point is perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the equation of straight line is b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. This is the formula for a line passing through the point x1 and y1 and perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, let us see one example of perpendicular lines. Example, find the equation of line passing through the point 3, 4 and perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, find the equation of line passing through the point 3 and 4 and perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 5. Here we have to find the equation of straight line. You give a point and the point is perpendicular to the line. Okay, solution is, so first of all we have to give a point, that is 3, 4. This is nothing but x1 and y1 values, and line is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the equation of straight line is b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. Here b means 3 into x minus, here x1 means 3, a means 2, and y minus y1 means 4 is equal to 0. Multiply these values. 3 into x means 3x, minus 3 3s are 9, minus 2y, here minus into minus plus, 2 4s are 8 is equal to 0. That means 3x minus 2y, here minus 9 plus 8 means minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line to give a point and perpendicular to the line is. Thank you for watching.